Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kaydene Campbell and I'm here today with an eyebrow tutorial. As you can see, that was the before, this is the after. I totally love my brows. This is the routine that I now do. Sometimes it's better, sometimes you know how it goes with eyebrows. Now I'm going to show you what I need to get into these brows, honey, so stay tuned for the information on the items I use to get my brows done. You on the run, travel, dancing, I don't know what you are, So first you will need a spoolie. You would then need some, I would say 2 angle brush, one to fill it in with your brow pomade and one to outline your brows with the concealer. Now I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade in ebony. That's the color. And you will also need your concealer, and the concealer that I'm using is a Maybelline ANKARA concealer. I love this stuff, and I'm using in this tutorial the tan color, which is closer to my skin tone, and I'm just going to use that to outline my brows. Then you will need a brown eyeliner pencil, or whichever color you like to use on your brows, you can go ahead, but I like to use brown. Then you will need a clear brow gel. You also need a handheld mirror. It's better for you to apply it to see better. Now I'm gonna outline my brows, and I'm using the brow pencil. It's brown, and I'm outlining the bottom of the brows. I'm not drawing any bigger than it is. Then I brush down the hairs at the top. And when I do this, I see the outline better. So I just draw and shape my brows how I like them. I feel like I shouldn't touch. You got no touch inside. I feel like I shouldn't run. You're knocking me exit with your life. About the edges of my hair there, I was laying it there, and I do have some residue from the Got To Be glue spray, so it's not muck, it's just the Got To Be glue spray that is dried, and I will later clean that with alcohol. And then on that same area there is just a little bit of my lace that's showing. I'm actually going to cut that off later on as well, so don't be grossed out. It's nothing gross, it's just Got To Be gel. My brows, I'm gonna fill them in with the brow pomade in ebony from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I dip my angled brush into the pomade and then make sure to coat it and flatten it out. And then I go right into my brows and I look for any sparse area, and I mostly focus this product at the end of the brow, like the outer portion of my brow, because there's not much hair there and I want the color of the ebony to mimic the brow hairs. So I basically go in an upward position and flicking my brush as well, especially when I go towards the front area of my brow. I go in an upward position and I flick the brush upwards. The angled portion, the pointy point of the angled brush is down, and I flick it up to mimic the brow hairs like you see there. So what you see me doing is this clip, and I basically brush it upwards. Now it's time for me to carve out my brows to make them look very sharp and defined. And I'm using the concealer, Maybelline concealer from Maybelline, the Maybelline concealer, and it's in color 10. Now this matches my skin tone, but sometimes I do like to use like a shade or two darker, and that time I may use caramel. If I'm using a layer for concealer, I usually use Fawn or Warm Honey, so it gives me a highlighted brow. But today I wanted to do something natural, so I use the tan color for both bottom and top part of my brows. And I'm just gonna outline that to the shape that I want. Sometimes I do go back in and clean it up and define it because that's what we want. We want it to be sharp. Yeah, so that's what I do. You got no touch inside. I feel like I shouldn't run. You're blocking the exit with your life. With your life. Writers write what they know. Liars write what they wanna show. Singers sing what they told. But I know you got something else to say. A secret language, speaking in tongues. Snake like, don't like, you will never. So once I'm done with that, sharpening my brows, I'm just going to blend out all that concealer around my brows to make sure everything is smooth for the foundation application. And I just use a fluffier brush to blend all of that out. And then once I've completed that, that's it for my brow routine. So I just want to say, please remember to subscribe to my channel, guys. I really do appreciate it. And also thumbs up this video if you found this helpful or if you liked it. And do remember to click the bell and select the all option to ensure that you're notified each and every time I upload a video. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really do appreciate it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Addicted to light, center, always in the limelight.